So you're moving to passwordless authentication for better identity security? Smart choice. But unfortunately, passwordless doesn't eliminate identity threats. It just changes the attack surface. At SpyCloud, we keep pace with the attack surface as it evolves to give our customers the edge, stopping threats before they escalate to initial access. While attackers are still stealing passwords, they also want the path of least resistance, post-authentication artifacts like cookies and tokens that allow them to gain easy access again and again. Here's how they're doing it. Adversary-in-the-middle phishing kits that intercept entire logging flows in real time. Device code phishing attacks that trick users into authorizing OAuth flows that hand over long-lived tokens directly. Infostealer malware that silently exfiltrates valid session cookies and refresh tokens from infected devices, even devices with enterprise endpoint protection. So while it's necessary to modernize, new authentication, new tools, new infrastructure, going passwordless doesn't stop authentication bypass. That's where SpyCloud comes in. SpyCloud delivers identity threat protection in passwordless environments, shutting down these access vectors before criminals can take advantage. SpyCloud recaptures stolen identity data from Infostealer infections and successful phishing attacks, so you know when users need their sessions terminated. These are the missing signals you need to re-secure infected and phished identities, devices, and applications to strengthen your identity perimeter, whether you've moved beyond passwords or not. Our data lake of over 1 trillion recaptured assets helps reveal and close the gaps in passwordless authentication continuously, making your security program more mature and your business safer. At the end of the day, no matter what authentication you use, credentials, passkeys, magic links, and beyond, your identity attack surface travels with you. SpyCloud. Our data is your best signal.